Hello everyone. How amazing this site is. This email processing. So if you refer someone to this site, you get paid. And I will not leave you here as well. I will give you a system that will generate unlimited income for you. You get unlimited traffic to your website. Click on the link, click in the link on the description. You come to this page. You check with yourself. You just get paid daily into your PayPal account. So you can see, you just check it for yourself. You get paid daily instant into your PayPal account. So if you scroll down, you get here, get instant access today. So if you click, it will take you to your PayPal account. Then you purchase for this website for free. If you purchase, then you are ready to go make your money. This one, I'm just logging to my PayPal account, and if I pay for this website, buy traffic for this website, I get $25,000 daily and daily. I get it instantly for free. So you can see that it's just $25 for free. So if I pay with this site, and you throw someone to this website, I get paid daily. So you check this link, check this website, and come check this website and start making your free money into your PayPal account. I don't want to make long video for you guys. So click the link. I give you a site that you can use to promote your website, this website, and you get free PayPal money daily. If you don't want to make money, just skip. If you want to make serious money, join this group, join this website, and start making free money into your PayPal account. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon anytime that I will upload a new site like this, how to make a limited free PayPal account. You'll be the first person to get it. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.